Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with E-Trade for bond trading basics, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin your bond trading journey with E-Trade, open your preferred web browser. Type in the E-Trade website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, locate the Open an Account button. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a page with various account options. Select the option that best suits your needs, focusing on brokerage account for bond trading. Fill out the required personal information in the provided fields. This typically includes your name, address, email, and phone number. Next, create a username and password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements specified. After setting your credentials, proceed to the next section of the registration form. Here, you will need to provide your financial information. This may include your employment status, annual income, and net worth. Be honest and accurate to ensure proper account suitability. E-Trade may also ask about your investment experience and knowledge. Provide detailed responses to help them assess your investor profile. Once you complete these sections, review all information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, agree to the terms and conditions. Then click the Submit button to finalize your registration. You may receive an email confirmation shortly after submitting your application. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. After verification, log in using your new username and password. Navigate to the Markets or Bonds section on the platform. Here, you can begin exploring bond trading options. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the available tools and resources. Consider using E*Trade's educational resources to enhance your understanding of bonds. You are now ready to start trading bonds with E-Trade. Enjoy your trading experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.